Hey guys, first off let me say thank you for returning to my channel, and for those of you who are new, thanks for joining my channel. Today I have some watermelon nail art to share with you. I'm super excited with how these turned out, and honestly I just cannot wait for spring to be here. So if you'd like to see how I came about doing this look, keep on watching. For the base color of this nail art, I'll be going in with 3 thin coats of this gorgeous pink polish by Essie called Madison Ave-Hue. Before I do any stamping nail art, I'll be going in and applying 1 thin coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat, which will help to speed up the drying process and give me a good base to do my stamping. Next, I'll be going in and applying Girly Border Patrol along my cuticles, which will help to make the cleanup process easier. For the stamping image, I'll be going in using the watermelon image on this stamping plate, which was sent to me to review from Born Pretty store called BP-X45, and as you can see, it's got 6 pretty large images on the plate, and you've got various fruits which you can choose from, such as the watermelon, pineapple. I think those ones in the upper left hand corner can be used as oranges or lemons, and grapes, and I'm not sure what the other 2 images are. For the stamping, I'll be going in and I'll be using my clear jelly Big Bling stamper, which I've said time and time again is my absolute favorite stamper to use. Since I'll be going in and doing double stamping, I'll be using Mundo black stamping polish first to pick up the image. The second stamping polish color that I'll be using is Mundo Military Green, which I'll be using and going in with the same image. And lastly, I'll be going in and sealing my mani with 1 final coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat. And that's it for this water marble nail art. So what did you think of my final results? I really do love how these turned out, and they get me super excited for spring. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and do give this video a thumbs up or thumbs down if you did like or dislike it. And as always, feel free to leave any comments and or questions down below. As always, stay glamorous.